Chapter 18. Subject-verb agreement. Let's understand. Tony made these mistakes because he had forgotten about subject-verb agreement. According to subject-verb agreement, singular subjects take singular verbs and plural subjects take plural verbs. Examples: I am reading the book Gone with the Wind. We are watching the movie Gone with the Wind. The following table explains the subject-verb agreement for to be and to have. Subject, present, past. I, am, was. You, are, were. He, she or it is, was. We, you or they are, were. To have. I have had. You have had. He, she or it has had. We, you or they have had. Note, the subjects in this table are pronouns, but these verbs behave in the same manner with nouns too. Remember that if the last letter of the verb is S, it is singular, while if it is not, the verb is plural. This only applies to the third person. For example, he dances is singular, while they dance is plural. For the first or second person, plural verbs do not have an S. They are identical to the singular verb. For example, I sing is singular and we sing is plural. Rules for subject-verb agreement. Singular verbs are used with singular countable nouns. Siddharth plans to change his house. Singular indefinite pronouns. Everyone wants to see the actor from near. Singular demonstrative pronouns. This is the performance I expected from you. Uncountable nouns. Milk is important for growing children. Two or more subjects considered as a unit. Pen and paper is needed to write. Sentences that are joined by or, either, or, etc. Tea or cold drink is just fine. Plural verbs are used with plural countable nouns. The contestants are ready. Plural indefinite pronouns. I think both butterscotch and Black Forest ice creams are delicious. Plural demonstrative pronoun. Those are the boxes I mentioned the other day. Plural quantifiers. Some flamingos have been sighted near the lake. Two or more subjects joined by the conjunction and. Rahim and Robert are best friends. Nouns that don't have a singular form. My spectacles are lost. A. Tick only the sentences with the correct sub. B. Tick the most. C. Fill in the D. Then do remember that subjects and verbs must agree with each other. Singular subjects take singular verbs and plural subjects take plural verbs. Chapter 19.